scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems involving melting ice cones are actually simple if you follow these quick steps to find the rates of change in volume derivatives. First, we approximate the second derivative at 8.5 by calculating the average rate of change for the radius function over the specific interval from 7 to 10 days. Boom! Next, we apply the intermediate value theorem because the target rate falls between the values at the 0 and 3. Since the function is continuous, that specific value must exist. You got this. Finally, we use the product rule on the volume formula to find how the total size changes at exactly 3 days. That is the answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given values, and check steps.